Good morning, friends. I am Surya Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I will be telling you how to grow coleus, how to make coleus bushy. Coleus is a beautiful foliage plants. They will add beautiful colors to your garden. If you grow some flowers, along with the flowers, you can grow coleus here. You can see around 15 color variations you can see in my garden. There are hundreds of color options you can see in coleus. Just very easy. You can grow easily from stem cuttings, and if you want you can grow from seeds also. Today I'll tell you how to grow them coleus, how to get them bushy, how to get them beautiful coleus plants. You can see first thing you have to do the pinching is very important. Pinching is just removing the top two leaves of these plants, and after pinching you will see lots of branches will come out from the sides. You see this is the pinched area, and if you do it repeated time 2 to 3 times, you can see hundreds of branches you can see. And if you want to propagate easily, you can take around 4 inch of length of this top stem, remove the lower leaves, and I'll tell you this is the most easy. You can grow easily in your home without using any rooting ground powder, anything. Just collect these kinds of stem anywhere and just removing this. There at the position of cutting, there will be growing new branches. And take around dry soil, dry garden soil. Don't add any compost or fertilizer in it, just dry garden soil, and water it, and then push down the cutting here. Only the push down around 1 to 1.5 inch push down in the soil, and keep it in semi-shade area for a week, and you will see beautiful roots will emerge, and within 7 days new plants will emerge from here, and hundreds cuttings. Now I'll tell you what the fertilizers you should add in this plant. Take around 50 gram of mustard cake powder and soak it in around 1 liter of water. Then after 4 days you add it in 10 liter water. So make it a 10 liter solution and apply 100 ml of this solution in each pot around once in 10 days. If you apply this fertilizer in liquid fertilizer every 10 days, you will see the beautiful growth of this plant, huge growth. If you don't find this, then you can apply powdered mustard cake powder along and mixed with NPK Supola, NPK, any kind of NPK Supola 10 26 26, and add around 5 gram in one side, one corner of this pot. Just pile it there and add water in it, and just don't do anything some. And if you don't find this, you can add this DAP granules. These are rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. You can add around 2 to 3 grams of DAP once in a week in one side of the corner of the spot and at the edges of the pot, and you don't have to add anything. This is the all the trees are the very beautiful fertilizers. Since these are foliage plants, you want hundreds of leaves of vibrant colors and tons color. If you want some glossy leaves, with you can apply huminol gold. This is the composition of humic acid, fulvic acid, and some micronutrients. Lots of apply around 2 ml. This is from Libix Agrochems. So you can buy it, humin gold and huminol gold. Beautiful. This is composition. Apply around 2 ml per liter. That is 2 ml means around 40 drops. If you count it in drops, you apply 40 drops in 1 liter of water. Shake it well and then spray on the leaves, and if you want you can apply on soil application also. So this is the best thing you can apply if you want some glossy leaves, vibrant colors in your leaves, and all the stunning looking of your leaves. Then you can apply this huminol gold from Libix Agrochem Private Limited. So this is the easily you can avail. This is some battery operated sprayer I am using. You can buy this battery operated sprayer from any of the nurseries or online, any in the Amazon or Flipkart. And this is the best thing. And if you enter foliage, apply foliar spray, or if you drench the soil also once in 10 days or 15 days, and you will see the magical result of growing coleus. If you want, you can spray on other flower plants also. Lots of foliage plants, flower plants, or fruit plants you can apply. If you want, you can grow in vegetable plants also. You can see enormous growth in your plants, leaves, flowers, and everything. So this is a very nice things you can apply. If you follow this all these tips, you can get the enormous growth in your coleus and stunning and beautiful coloration in your garden. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.